Court recalls the case, People versus Glenn Milhan.
Haley Zen on behalf of the people.
Ready, Rob J. Kill on behalf of Glenn Milhan. Glenn, would you state your name for record?
My name is Glenn Milhan.
Thank you.
Judge, I met with Glenn last night for about an hour and a half, and we went over the police report. And I have to, not that I want to argue the case, Judge, but this is really a questionable case. The police report says there's no injuries, that the victim was highly intoxicated, and that the witness who originally stated in the police report that she saw my client slap or hit the victim, then later changed in the following paragraph, well, maybe he didn't actually hit her. That all being said, because of this case, Judge Slay has no bond filed, bond violation on, or excuse me, violation of bond on her case. Glenn feels that he wants to get this resolved as quickly as possible. I explained to him the right to go to trial by jury. He would ask if he's willing to waive jury and set this matter for a bench trial. I know this is quick, but I've been told you have an open docket next week. Judge, that's not good. That doesn't sound good for my.
Do I ever have an open docket, really?
Well, I mean, as far as she said, there's nothing on the schedule now. I have 2 matters in Chelsea, but I could be available at 11 o'clock next week. So you being the...
Oh, you like the student want to set your own time.
Well,
okay, go ahead.
Object to that timeline. I would ask for more time to give us a chance to speak to that eyewitness as well as the victim and get that together.
Honor, the victim said no crime happened.
Sir, please.
Glenn, remember what we talked about last night?
Okay, I'm sorry.
What,
Your next would be the 24th.
yeah, but a trial week would normally come up at the end of November, but I'm presuming you're trying to find something before that. But
Yeah, I was
I've gotta
hoping.
balance it against the people wanting to.
Well, it's 11 o'clock instead of 9 o'clock. That should be
What?
just nothing.
Oh, that was killing Wald in his sense of humor.
I'm looking for
Yeah.
I don't know how far.
How much time reasonably would you need to make sure that you have adequate time to talk to the?
Your Honor, I would ask, I'm not even looking for the time. For at least, at least 2 weeks. I know if we're going out to the week of the 10th, I'll have to have someone cover it for me as I will be out of town.
Got it.
So it could be Monday, November 3rd, or Monday, November 2nd. Don't have to
Would today's 20th, that'd be 2 weeks. Would that be enough time?
As the tension peaks, Glenn suddenly breaks down in frustration. He accuses his lawyer of not fighting hard enough, demanding his removal. But the judge steps in, calmly explaining the process, reminding Glenn that his lawyer has been working hard to help him. Slowly, Glenn realizes his mistake. With humility, he apologizes to both the court and his attorney. The air softens, a rare moment of humanity in the courtroom as justice prepares to take its next step.
Time for you, or? Okay.
You're going to ask for the 17th if we could.
Okay.
Judge, I have a circuit court trial that day with Judge Kunke on the 17th. Is there any chance we could do it November 3rd in the afternoon?
Well, I think they're trying to, look, I'm trying to speed this up for your client as best I can, because I understand what you're saying at that. I would normally be at November 24th. I don't have the 10th.
We could do Tuesday the 4th in the afternoon at like 1 o'clock.
I'm sorry, November 4th in the afternoon?
That would be in, I would be setting a special time in the
You
afternoon.
can try for the 3rd.
You can try for the 3rd?
Yes.
Okay. Judge, I have Judge Freshour said I better not miss November 3rd at 10 o'clock in her courtroom. I've already been paid a fine to her once before, and I don't feel like doing it.
So if we delay you, it'll be another fine?
Probably.
So I can send her a message and like tell her what amount I'd like to see?
Yeah, sure. Could it be in the afternoon on the 3rd?
Oh, God.
We normally have a daily docket in the afternoon and we have a wet.
We could get it done before the wedding. I'm sure of that.
I don't know if that's a good prelude to a wedding, but, well, my docket starts in the afternoon, but you'd be trying to set it for what? The morning?
November 3rd, yeah, that's the date that he had the.
Okay, so, oh dear, God, Kilowall.
I apologize, Judge.
No, you don't.
Well,
You do, but it doesn't mean anything.
That's
You're not
true.
really apologizing.
Well,
You'd love to cause
I'm trying to be
agony.
humble about this.
So, what time are you supposed to be before Judge Fresh?
10 o'clock.
But that's here. Because Celine's not opening till the 4th, right? Or are they opening on the 3rd?
I'm pretty sure it's in Chelsea.
Oh, in Chelsea.
Yeah.
Okay, then it doesn't matter.
You're.
Oh, man. I knew it was gonna do this. All right.
To the bug next, that'd be dismissed. I asked them to.
All right. They've got him muted. Okay. All right. He's waiving his right to jury.
Glenn, you're still waiving your right to have a jury trial, right? Now,
I've asked
earlier,
I would like for you to
Sorry?
do what I asked you to do, Mr. Bob Kilowatts. I asked you to ask a specific thing and you're not doing it for me. And if you're not going to do it for me, I would like you to remove yourself from my case.
I thought I did ask what you
No, you
wanted,
didn't.
Glenn.
The victim said nothing happened. A crime never happened. And I'm sitting in jail for a crime that never happened. And you're not even asking for a dismissal. Yeah, I'm upset with you. You're not doing your job.
Well, Mr. Milham, if I can just interrupt. What Mr. Kilowald's trying to do and what he's explained to me, and maybe there's something I'm not understanding, is that really what's holding you is the bond issue before Judge Slay because of this case. So what he's trying to do is get me to set this as fast as I can, because he could argue a motion to dismiss. He had to file a motion to dismiss, give the people time to respond, and without hearing witnesses, I couldn't dismiss it anyway. So he's just trying to, if that's the issue, he's trying to get you there as fast as he can. So, I mean, but it's up to you what you want to do.
I want to waive my right to a jury trial.
Pardon?
I would like to waive my right to a jury trial. I would like to have a bench trial, sir. I don't mean to cause an issue or nothing. I just thought we were on the same page, and I'm.
No, I think you are. He just has to follow certain procedures to do it. Okay, so let me go through this with you. If you're waiving your right to a jury trial, you understand that you have an absolute and constitutional right to have the matter tried before a jury.
Yes.
All right, and you understand that by waiving that, you'll have a trial before this court without a jury present.
Yes.
Okay. People also waive their right?
Yes, sir.
All right. Based upon the statement of counsel and defendant, court will consent to have the matter tried before it without a jury. I'll set non-jury trial at a special time for November 3rd, 2025 at 11:30. All right. And, you know, Mr. Milhan, sometimes people don't understand that attorneys are working very hard for them. I don't usually do this. But Mr. Kilowald has convinced me to do that, set it at a special time so he can be here outside of my docket. So I think sometimes people need to just be appreciative of what they have. All right, bond at this time.
I apologize if I feel like you disrespected if I disrespected the court. I apologize. I'm just I'm
Well,
not.
it's not, Mr. Milhan, let me just tell you, it's not really about disrespecting me, but I see attorneys when they're working hard. And he's working hard for you. He's pressing me to set it here, and it could wait till the 24th, but he's trying to do that and trying to squeeze it in to make sure he can be here for a trial for you because he realized what the issue is.
I apologize, Mr. Bob Killerwas. I do apologize to the court. I apologize to Attorney Bob Killerwas. He has been trying to look out for me, and I'm just frustrated about this whole thing. I'm sorry.
All right.
Glenn, I'll come and see you in a couple days. We'll talk more, okay?
As I said, I'm sorry, Bob. I appreciate what
That's okay. I'm still gonna do what I told you I'd do if you didn't give me any trouble.
All right.
Thanks, Judge.
Bond will continue. Thank you.
The courtroom is quiet as the case people versus Glenn Milhan is recalled. Glenn sits beside his lawyer, frustration clear on his face. His attorney argues the police report shows no injuries, a confused witness, and a victim who insists no crime even happened. The judge listens closely, trying to balance fairness with the tight court schedule. Glenn's defense pushes for a fast resolution, a bench trial instead of a jury, hoping to finally clear his name.